California has the largest HIV-infected population in the US, with over 130,000 people. Data analytics are viewed by researchers as essential tools to reduce those numbers. Dr. Amarnath Gupta with the San Diego Supercomputer Center founded the Awesome platform. The data platform cross-links social media to critical issues, to take in and manipulate heterogeneous types of data and then conduct heterogeneous analysis with that data. In an HIV study where Awesome is used, key search terms using drug or sex-related words are used to locate regions with high-risk patients. Keywords suggest where needle sharing is prevalent or if the users are taking contraband substances.
So we want to see what kind of text they use, what kind of network their associations are with, what is the nature of their tweeting behavior, at what time of the day, and what places do they mention, and so forth. And all of this data is acquired and processed so that we can potentially classify a particular user as a high-risk user or not.
Using that data, UCSD School of Medicine deploys mobile clinics to those locations to provide free testing. Dr. Nadir Wabel confirms the accuracy of the keywords by inviting at-risk populations at Dr. Susan Little's mobile HIV testing units to verify and suggest additional terms. Looking beyond HIV reduction, Awesome also has applications in political science to see the public's feedback to legislation and its effectiveness. Awesome assists in the fields of sociology, political science, and public health. As it expands, it makes citizens more socially aware and continues to contribute to the public's benefit.